Welcome. I'm Laurence Fishburne. Historians trace the word technology all the way back to our ancestors' use of tools. From the Middle Ages to the Industrial Revolution and right through to today's digital age, technology has been and will continue to be a purposeful and dynamic part of our future, as we're about to see.
The COVID-19 pandemic has plagued modern society, impacting nearly every industry and every life. Regardless of what is going on in the world, industrial cleaning operations in the energy sector is a necessity. Traditionally viewed as an in-person, often dangerous profession, industrial cleaning practices are evolving, largely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Like so many other industries in this unprecedented time, industrial cleaning business leaders are leaning more on technology than ever before.
In industrial cleaning, specifically with high-pressure water, it is seen as a very hazardous job. The operator is often directly in contact with the energized water source, which is high enough pressure to cut through steel. It is also putting the operator or the end user directly in relation to the surface or the orifice that is cleaning. The debris or the fouling that is relieved with the high pressure water that is often caustic, which can burn your skin, is released as vapor into the atmosphere as well, that if inhaled or ingested is very harmful to the body.
Our acid owners refining process uses heat exchangers to cool or heat up their process. In that process, debris is built up in them and they have to be cleaned no matter what, or their process will fail and crash, and then it costs them millions of dollars.
Leveraging the Internet of Things and smart technology for jobs like this means two things: job security at a time when there's a lot of insecurity, and assurance that this necessary task can be completed while abiding by the safety measures put in place.
Due to the global pandemic, the world has been forced to rely on technologies such as video chats in order to be able to work from home and be safely operating during the COVID crisis. With our tablet-based technology over wireless networks, we're able to safely remove the operator from the hazardous work area, also increasing its production. Using technologies such as machine learning and our telejetting, it keeps the operator involved with the entire process of the high-pressure clean. Since Teardown has introduced computerized robotics into this field, it is appealed to the upcoming workforce who's grown up with a tablet, a smartphone, and a computer in their hands every day. As a result, we've been acknowledged with multiple awards for our safety. As we're more aware of our environment around us, water blasting or high-pressure cleaning is focused on using environmentally friendly methods in order to remove chemicals from the cleaning applications, to recycle the water, and create a sustainable, environmentally friendly cleaning operation. Using our smart technology, which revolves around machine learning and IoT, we're able to use data analytics and capture this information to replicate and reproduce and predict future cleans.
For my team, they really like the technology. It allows them to work remotely. They can even clean an exchanger from their house if they want to. This will be the future of clean harbors and the way that we approach our technology and the way that we're going to clean and do industrial cleaning for our customers.
During this global pandemic, we're using these operational methods as a necessity. However, in the future, we'll continue to use them due to their efficiency.
We hope this program has served as an inspiration to you. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to profile the thought leaders impacting business. I'm Laurence Fishburne.